A special visit to Sisiyemmie's house. I was welcomed with fruits. And the fruits are apple, banana, strawberry, and sour grape. You could imagine what a perfect way to be entertained. I so much like it. Then, as if that was not enough. Woo! Guess what? I'm in the right place. I beg. Woo! I was loving this. I was served again. Just 5 minutes. When you're in the right place, be treated like a queen. I was treated like a queen. Woo! In just few minutes, they came in with fruit juice. Wow! You could imagine how much I so much love fruit juice to go so well with. You can guess the combination of food is going down with. It's going down with this special made for me. I was filled up with what I've taken, but yet I have to go with this. I must not miss this. It's a special, perfectly prepared for me. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to another beautiful video and welcome to Oju Olakpe Space. Thank you so much, my subscriber, for coming around to watch today's video. Today's video, we're unraveling a lot of goodies. Come along with me. Don't just take your spoon and sit well and enjoy the perfect meal with me. Just cool down, relax, and let's mash this together. Let's ride on.
And then you always wait for the light.
Which light?
Like for light to come to see the way the sun is coming out. So that's what you like.
The kitchen looks so bright.
So now it's too bright, so we have to come here.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. No, it's her channel. How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm cool. I'm just excited to be with Sisiyemmie. My name is Oju Olakpe.
What does it mean?
It
the
means
eyes is complete.
Those people that are rich, we don't complete. No, yeah. All of us.
We're complete. So now when you're filming, you look here, not there. Okay. Because if you look there, you're not looking at your audience. If you look there, here directly, you're looking at your audience directly. Okay. You can check here from time to time to see if like you are in focus, if the light is bright enough. Do you understand?
As if fast, so issues are fine. If you zoom out,
no, you're fine.
You never say anything.
You're fine. See.
Oh man,
natural beauty.
I'm naturally,
what a beauty.
Fearfully, specially made by God.
Exactly. So, subscribe to our channel.
Oh, Sisiyemmie.
And check if dramatic play.
Dana yo mong pa unje sisi.
It's the same ingredient.
Yeah.
I still don't understand you. Agege bread. Have you used it with tea before?
What?
Tea, agege bread and tea.
Wait, yes, I have.
Wow.
It's very delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah, sure.
Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video. I'm in my dream kitchen. This is not my kitchen, but this is my dream kitchen. Oh, everything here, I wish my kitchen is like this, but you got to know that yes, I'm in the right kitchen. This is where the magic cooking takes place. Woo! So I'm going to show you around what she has in her kitchen. You already know she's a female that owns the kitchen. So what she has in her kitchen, I'm going to take you through a cabinet, then a fridge, a freezer, and things that she uses to cook to make this magic super delicious yummy cooking. So let's ride on and see what she has in her kitchen. You can write in the comment section whose kitchen is this. If you know the right person that owns this kitchen, just put it in the right comment section and let me see if you're going to guess right. So let's ride on to discovering a kitchen haunting. Come with me. Starting off with the cabinet where she kept her plates. So the plates are well arranged and well placed. Then let's move on to the second side of our cabinet. This is how the plates are well clean, arranged in the perfect place. Then next place we are going to move to is a cooking gas. So this is what is inside. As for today, she was not aware I'm doing all this, but I was like, I'm going to get her on our way. Then we move to our cabinets. These are where she kept her cutleries. I think the second side, let's unravel what is there. It was not really opening, so we had to open the downside. That is toiletries, napkins, and here are the cutleries to different rolling sticks and all those. Then let's check other places. There's a place I like in kitchen. That is the fridge. This fridge now loaded fridge. Oh, hey. When I open it, I was like, wow, yeah. She has cake. There's a big birthday decorated big birthday cake. From cake to juice, she has some let me say flavor. Then from flavor she has some, you can see she has salad cream to butter, granite butter. This Toblerone, I love Toblerone so much. That is chocolate. Toblerone, that is chocolate. You have different, that's actually the fridge side. Now this is the freezer, because it has two compartments. The one, there's one for fridge and there's one for freezer. The freezer, she has margarine, she has some food. So you'll be so amazed that she doesn't just waste food or pour food away. She also has some food she also always keep once she has some left over, so she doesn't waste. She's not a waster. She's conscious of what she have left. Then she has some juice in the freezer. She has different pastas. She has some different seafood. Then she also kept her beans, that is picked beans. Then we move from there, we move to our plate rack. And this is a chef where she keeps all the magic plates and some things she might need. Okay, let's move to where she keeps our beverages, and from there, this is how she arranged our kitchen cabinets. These are things that, okay, she can quickly pick them and start using anytime she wants to use them. So that, I guess that is why they are out there, they are out here, so she can easily get rich to them. Then she has some sets of pots with beautiful colors. She loves attractive, beautiful sets of kitchenwares, and that is one thing I admire about our kitchen. They are all colorful from our own brand of color to our kids' color. So she makes it in such a way that the colors are attractive. And imagine when I saw this pot, it's so so beautiful. I like it. You can, if you like things like this, you can also get them. And this all that she's having in her kitchen, a beautiful kettle. I love this pot. And one thing about this pot is so heavy. So it's those heavy pots that are not just anyhow pots. Then to her cooking gas, clean, neat. That's how you always meet her kitchen. So these are well decorated with beautiful flowers in the kitchen. When I saw this, I was like, wow, you have to feel that happiness in your kitchen. Have you ever thought of having your dream kitchen and you find out someone that has your kind of your dream kitchen. Wow, this is my dream kitchen, and as you can see, everything that I've imagined, everything that I can think of here in this kitchen. So beautiful. I hope you enjoyed every bit of today's video. Don't forget to share my video, subscribe, like. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.